Alright, what's up everyone? This is Stranger here, coach of the Pittsburgh Celestelas, and today I'm playing in week 5 of the Nuzlocke journey for the Lord Helix Draft League. And we're going up against Big Massive H and the Exeter Bayliefs. And we're getting ready to get started, so good luck, have fun to Big Massive H. So this is the final week of not fully evolved middle stage evolution mons. So I got 2 of them this week. So I got the Arctibax and the Dolive. Arctibax is holding the Ebulite. And then we got Sneasler, Focus Sash, Citrus Berry Malamar, Covert Cloak, Meowstick, and Biford Volcarona. So, yeah, their team is very, very physical oriented. Yeah, I mean I don't think they have any special attackers. I don't know what the bird does. Let me check on that. I have no idea what that bird does. I don't even know what that thing's called. Trumbeak? Yeah, so it's a physical attacker as well. Base 75 speed, normal flying. Okay. And they got the Poliwhirl. I think Poliwhirl is pure water. Yeah, I thought it was a fighting type, but I checked on it and realized it was pure water. So I think game 1 I just kind of want to go with I think game 1 I'll kind of go with my go-to so far this season. Do I want the Dolive in the back? No, I think I still go Arctibax. No, I'll go Dolive. This is probably a really bad idea. So the other game mode is just kind of coaching next to the Evila Arctibax to make it unkillable. And, it's got decent coverage. Okay, this is totally fine. So the Bronzong is Terra Electric and Terra Fairy, and the Toxicroak also gets to Terra. This thing has Terra Steel and Terra Dark. Oh, so I'll just go for a superpower. I'm gonna Terra Ghost, superpower into this, and Psychic into it. Covert Cloak, Meowstick. Still can't fake either of these mons out. So no Terra on the Toxicroak. This might be Terra Bronzong. No Terra. Okay, we don't go for fake out. No Sash on the Toxicroak. So this Terra was wasted, and now they can hit me for super effective with the Basket Legion. Okay, it's just Trick Room, so I can reverse that with Meowstick, but I don't think I'm really that worried about it, especially because this is probably just Mudsdale, and I could just start Reflect and keep clicking superpower. Maybe I just knock off the Bronzong. Do I think that KOs? No, I'm just going to keep setting up superpowers. Go into this guy. And just set reflect. Yeah, and we do get a terror from the bronze on, so I'll just get a few more boosts and then I can go for Psycho Cunning Jet. It's electric, okay. I was way more worried about the fairy. And they got their own reflect, okay. I almost went Imprison, Trick Room, Reflect, which would have been kind of cool. Use his stamina. Yeah. Okay, so I got Topsy-Turvy, so I can switch those boosts around at some point. I may probably just reverse Trick Room right now. Okay, it's just dual screens, bronze on. Great, here we go. Well, at least I'm Covert Cloak, so I definitely get to Trick Room. Okay, yeah. Here comes the Basket Aging. Special defense drop. Okay, I should still live the last respects or whatever this Basket Legion wants to do. I'm at +3 defense. Go for Sunny Day just to completely mirror this thing. If it wants to go for a water move. If it goes for last respects, I haven't taken a KO yet, so it shouldn't be very strong. Oh my god, that's super strong. It's crazy. Okay, that KO, see what this item is. Choice band, okay. Wow. What do I think their last mon is? Oh wait, I already KO'd the Toxico. So I'm pretty safe to just superpower the bronze on. Go for another psychic here. And then I can Topsy-Turvy. Make all these defense boosts into drops. God, Malamar is so good. I don't know why, but for some reason in this format, Malamar just goes absolutely crazy every single game. Do I even want to reveal the Topsy-Turvy? Might as well. No, I don't think it's necessary. It's kind of cool, but just want to see what its item is. So fast. Okay. I'm definitely giving this KO to Malamar. Because right now I'm in second place on the kill leaderboard with Malamar. Just behind Hippowdon, who I let go crazy and get 5 kills when I played that team, so yeah. So now I feel like I have to take that top spot again. Alright, so good game. Let's see what we're going to do for the next one. I do kind of want to bring the other mode just for fun. I think I'll try Sneasler arc to backs. I feel like I definitely still need the Malamar. And knowing it's choice band on the I think I still just bring the ass to be able to reverse trick around. It's just not good in the back. I'm gonna bring Volk. Actually, honestly, if I can't reverse trick around, I think I just want this guy. Yeah, let's try this. Just bringing the bad mobs just to get him some playing time. Get him off the bench. Wow, what is going on here? This is actually pretty bad. Although honestly, I think I just send it. Nice. Just tailwind. I feel like that's the only reason to bring this bird. Yeah. It still does a lot. Rock Blast. Looks like I should live this. This loaded dice. I get all 5 hits. Oh, is it skill link? I guess I should have checked this thing's abilities. Nice, that's good damage. Oh, that's a crit. And we get the sleep entire clock. Come on. Is it Lumberry? No, Citrus Berry. Oh, Direfly's so dumb. Let's focus slash, okay. Fortunately, I don't have Ice Shard. Back-to-back still didn't get it. So yeah, this thing's abilities, yeah, it has skill link. Nice. Okay, this is, I believe, the last turn of Tailwind. I'm going to protect Sneasler. Do I just let this guy go down? Yeah. But now I just get in the Malamar. Unfortunately, Superpower will not KO this thing. But I feel like I really need the defense boost. Let's take the KO. Okay, this could have just been Superpower, damn it. I should have gone for a Superpower, because I wasn't actually threatened by this thing anyway. Like, it would have been better to leave it on the field. What's it gonna go for? Put poison in fighting moves. Now I lose my Citrus Berry. Okay, this is not great. I don't know if I can win this. Is Poliwhirl a special attacker? No. I think I still just need to knock off a potential Eviolite. This has got to be Vaxcalibur. If this is Rain Dance, I'm screwed. Poison, okay. I do still have the sash on Sneasler. Nice. Wow, that's through Eviolite? That's crazy. I do have Dollet in the back, so. Well, Dollet, it's probably better if I just bring him in. No, I think I will bring it in now. Save Malamar for the Toxicroak, whereas Dollet's good against both these guys. Hydro Pump. So it's not Swift Swim. Wait, how is, oh, the Poliwhirl Swift Swim. Oh, so this thing could still be Swift Swim. That still just KOs. Okay, this thing's dumb. Oh man. Why did I bring Dolliv? Just dies to a wave crash. Okay, this is a easy double protect. No, I don't have protect. So I go Ghost Terra. Yeah, and then they might KO themselves if they do wave crash into the Malamar. So that's probably best case scenario is that they target the Malamar. So maybe I shouldn't have protected the Sneasler. But then just fake out wave crash into Malamar would lose me the game. So this way, I'm hoping they target the Malamar. And just click fake out with Toxicroak. Or do whatever with Toxicroak. Okay, they do fake out into Sneasler, and then this is wave crash into Malamar. They should take enough in. Yeah, they should take enough in recoil and pull them. I think. If not, I have to double protect. Yeah, that's enough. Nice. Dry skin. Okay, cool. Okay, and now I just close combat. That should be game. This is sucker punch and it somehow kills me, but nope. Alright. GG's, that was a close game too. I thought I was gonna lose that once they got the rain up, and yeah, Basket Legion goes crazy. But once again, Dire Claw bails me out with the poison. So I'm pretty sure that's the only way I win that game is the recoil damage plus the poison chip being able to make the Basket Legion kind of KO itself, and then I can just clean up against the Toxicroak. So yep, that move once again, just doing Dire Claw things. So GG's. That puts us at 5-0, I believe. So going pretty strong. Next week we get all of our Mons to their final evolutions, which would be nice to have. Baxcalibur, Florges have it like a usable fairy, and then Hisuian Samurott gives me another strong physical attacker that I can potentially use alongside coaching Sneasler. It should be pretty good. So gives me some priority options now. I'll have Ice Shard on Bax Caliber and Aquajet, and Sucker Punch on the Hisuian Samurott. So yeah, I think the team only gets better from here. So hopefully we can keep it going. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.